Hello, welcome to AI360studio.com. Allow me to guide you on how to create a professional promo video in just few seconds using our AI tool called Motion Graphic Genius. Go to your AI360studio.com account, enter your login details and click the blue Sign In button. From your dashboard, locate and click the Motion Graphic Genius app using the search button. The first thing you will see when you open the Motion Graphic Genius app are templates of already made motion graphic videos. Select one from the list. Determine the duration of your motion video from 0 to 35 seconds. Also determine the number of images you desire to display as well as the number of text. Then press the button, Continue. Now, enter the text in all columns available in the sequence you want them to appear on your video. Upload the appropriate images you want to display on your motion video and press the button, Continue. Choose from the numerous options available on the Motion Graphic Video palette the most suitable soundtrack for your video. Finally, press Submit to generate your well-crafted motion graphic video in just few seconds. You can then visit the digital vault to download your video. You can see how simple that is. That's it. Now why don't you go try out the app right now and let AI360 Studio Motion Graphic Genius app help you take your AI game and profits to another level. If you don't have an AI360 Studio app yet, then you have to go to AI360studio.com to sign up for an account at the special deal going on now. Thank you for watching.